guys, this is me hobby horsing because I, believe it or not, am a hobby horse there. I do hobby horsing and real riding, but mainly just hobby horsing. Riding on Tuesdays, so, you know, it's freaking hard. This is Spike. He's my ride or die. Anyway, he's my little boy. We're going on a halter ride. So that's fun, and we're going to run down this area. Okay, my form is horrible, I know. His hair gets messed up a lot. I might film some videos that are inside with jumps. But for now, probably my next video will be a video with my friend because she's coming over tomorrow with her hobby horses. So that's fun. Yeah, so yeah. We're gonna do one last run, then I'm gonna end this video. Okay. Okay. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed.